Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Many of PC users wants to know how to get the latest version of Safari browser from Apple, and they want to download it from the official source of Apple. If I go to my browser, and as you can see, I'm on the official source of Apple, okay, and the Safari browsers are there. If I go to the latest version, so as you can see, update or reinstall Safari for your computer. The important writing is, for Mac computers, the Safari web browser is installed and updated as a part of macOS, but the crucial part is, for PC, Safari updates are no longer available. Okay, so the last version for PC, it was 5.1.7, and after that Apple has not released any version, any update for PC. So if you just want to use that 5.1.7 version, then what you have to do, you just have to go to Google and search for Safari browser download for Windows, and then you have to download it from File Hippo. It is one of the safe places to download, and it is of course offline version. Click on download latest version, and within a short while it will ask you to install. Okay, it's done. Now I'm just going to open folder, and the Safari setup is this. It is being installed in my system. Just wait patiently. So next, accept, and uncheck if you don't want to make it as your default browser, and also if you don't want to install Bonjour for Windows, then uncheck it. Automatically update Safari. Okay, next, and install, and it's being installed finally. Okay, now click on finish to quit the installer, and the Safari will be opened. Okay, Safari for Windows version has appeared before us, and now we can work with it. And if I go to Google, okay, now it loads like this, and by this way you can simply download the latest version of Safari on your Windows PC from the trusted source online. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you did so, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. If you have any better idea, then please feel free to inform us on the comment box. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.